Never forget to take your pills with this box. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Memo Box Mini, a smart pill box. The company sent this out to me to review. You can pick this up online for $40. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. This is the Memo Box Mini, which works via Bluetooth and reminds you when to take your pills. There's another version that's a little bit larger and it has 4 compartments. Inside, it comes with the USB cable for charging and the user guide. The box is very small and it comes in at less than 3 inches in length, 1.5 inch wide, and about a 1/2 inch in thickness. The box is a smooth white plastic all around. On the back is a button to snooze the alarm along with the light indicator. The micro USB port for charging is located underneath this cover. Battery can last up to 1 month before it needs charging. Inside you have 3 compartments to separate and organize your pills. Now I'll go over the setup. Download the Memo Health Pill Reminder app. This will also work with the Apple Watch. Sign up and create a login. Once created, log in with your credentials. On the main dashboard, select Add Smart Pill Box. Make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled on your device. It will then search for the Memo Box. Once located, it will appear and just select the device. Adding your pills is simple. Select Alarm on the bottom. Here I have already added 1 pill. Click on the plus sign on the upper right. You will then be able to select the time and also take a picture of the pill or bottle. The family tracker allows you to add family members so you can monitor them or have them monitor your medication in the event that you forget. There's also a refill reminder which allows you to set a schedule and will alert you when a refill is needed. And finally, the settings option. Here it will show you the status of the box, the connection, and battery percentage. It will also allow you to ping the device if you have misplaced it. Let's see how some of the features work. This is how the ping option works if you have misplaced the box. The box will flash and beep several times after pressing the ping button. The tracker feature keeps a log of the device, such as when your pills are due and when the box was opened and closed. Here you see it log once it's open and once it's closed. Lastly, the alerting for the pills. I will simulate the alarm by moving the time forward so you can see how it alerts when the pills are due. You can see the alert on the app saying now, along with the alarm and light on the box. Opening the box clears the alert and it moves to the next scheduled time. This also has a double dose alert. The Memo Box Mini. A very smart pill box that will remind you to take your pills. The box is packed with features and perfect for those that have to take pills on a daily basis. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.